Mayong adlaw mga higala, this is your Bisaya-Cebuano Maestra. My name is Judy. Today I am going to teach you how to say what is that over there in Bisaya-Cebuano. There are three ways to say this. The first one is unsa to, unsa to, and then the other one is unsa kadto, unsa kadto, and then the third one is unsa kato. Unsa to is the shortcut version. To is the shortcut of kadto or kato. Okay, now let's break it down. What is unsa? That over there is kadto or to for the short version. Or you can say unsa kato. But the most common is unsa to. Unsa to. Unsa to. Okay? Now you know how to say what is that over there in Bisaya Cebuano. Want to learn more Bisaya? Head over to my site cebuano101.com. Thank you so much for being with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. That really helps my channel. And I hope to see you guys next week for another short lesson. Amping kanunay mga higala!